stop scrolling. If you're a man over 40, there's a 40% chance you're dealing with something in the bedroom that you think is just in your head. But it's not. And what I'm about to tell you, your doctor probably never explained this to you. I'm Dr. Mia Carter. I'm a urologist. And in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you the real medical reason this is happening. And no, it's not what you think. So here's the thing. I've been practicing urology for over a decade, and I can't tell you how many men sit in my office, embarrassed, thinking they're broken, or that it's just aging. But guys, this isn't about aging. This is about something specific happening in your body that nobody talks about. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what's going on, and more importantly, what you can actually do about it. Make sure you stick around till the end, because I'm going to share the one factor that makes the biggest difference, and it's probably not on your radar yet. Point 1. The real statistics. All right, let's start with some truth. Studies show that about 40% of men over 40 experience premature ejaculation at some point. Now, before you panic, understand that this number includes everyone, from guys who deal with it occasionally to those who struggle consistently. But here's what most people don't know. This isn't a life sentence, and it's definitely not just in your head. You know what I hear all the time? Doc, I'm stressed. Maybe that's it. Or, I'm getting older. This is normal, right? Well, yes and no. Stress plays a role, sure. But there's actual physiology involved here that we need to talk about. Think of it this way. Your body is like a complex highway system. When you're younger, everything flows smoothly. But as you hit 40 and beyond, certain exits get congested. Specifically, we're talking about neurotransmitter signals, blood flow, and hormonal changes. These aren't just buzzwords. They're the actual mechanics controlling your timing in bed. And here's where it gets interesting, because what I'm about to explain next is something most guys have never heard from their doctors. Point 2, the serotonin connection. Let's talk about serotonin. You've probably heard of it as the happy chemical in your brain, right? Well, it does a lot more than just regulate mood. Research has found that serotonin actually plays a massive role in controlling ejaculation timing. Here's how it works. When serotonin levels are balanced, there's better communication between your brain and your body. But when those levels dip, which can happen due to stress, poor sleep, certain medications, or just natural aging, that communication gets disrupted. It's like your body's hitting send on a text message before you've finished typing. In my practice, I've seen this over and over again. A patient comes in, we run some labs, check their lifestyle factors, and boom, we find the serotonin connection. And guys, I'm not saying you need to immediately jump on medication. Actually, there are several lifestyle factors that influence serotonin that you have complete control over. Let's be honest, nobody wants to feel like they're disappointing their partner, but understanding that there's a chemical explanation, that's powerful, because now you can actually address the root cause instead of just feeling frustrated. But wait, because there's another factor here that's even more common, and it has to do with something happening below the belt. Point 3. The blood flow factor. Okay, so this is big. Cardiovascular health and sexual performance are intimately connected, pun intended. When blood flow to the pelvic region isn't optimal, it affects everything. Your erection quality, your stamina, and yes, your timing. Think about it this way. Your blood vessels down there are actually much smaller than the ones leading to your heart. So they're like the canary in the coal mine. If you're starting to have issues in the bedroom, it could be an early warning sign that your cardiovascular health needs attention. Studies have shown that men with high blood pressure, high cholesterol, or diabetes are significantly more likely to experience premature ejaculation and erectile issues. And here's the connection that blows my mind every time. Improving your heart health directly improves your sexual health. We're talking about exercise, diet, stress management, the basics that everyone knows but not everyone does. One of my patients, a 45-year-old executive, came to me convinced he needed medication. After we talked, he committed to just 30 minutes of cardio 5 times a week and cleaned up his diet. 3 months later, completely different story. He told me it wasn't just his performance. His confidence came back, his energy was up, everything shifted. Have you noticed a connection between your overall health and what's happening in the bedroom? Drop a comment below. I read every single one, and you might help someone else realize they're not alone. Point 4, the pelvic floor secret. Now stay with me because what I'm about to share is game-changing, and most men have never even heard of this. Your pelvic floor muscles. Yes, men have a pelvic floor too. It's not just a women's thing. These muscles are located at the base of your pelvis, and they play a crucial role in ejaculatory control. When these muscles are weak or dysfunctional, you lose voluntary control. It's like trying to stop a car with worn-out brakes. But here's the good news. You can strengthen these muscles with specific exercises. Pelvic floor physical therapy isn't just for women after childbirth. For men dealing with premature ejaculation, targeted exercises can make a huge difference. We're talking about Kegel exercises adapted for men, reverse Kegels, and breathing techniques. I know, it sounds a little out there. But research supports this. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that pelvic floor exercises significantly improved ejaculatory control in men with premature ejaculation. The key is consistency and proper technique. And actually, this brings me to the number one factor that ties everything together, the one thing that makes the biggest difference. Point 5, the mind-body connection. Here it is, the psychological component. Now, before you think, oh great, so it is in my head, hear me out. What I mean is that anxiety specifically around sexual performance creates a vicious cycle. It works like this. You experience premature ejaculation once, maybe twice. Now, every time you're intimate, there's this voice in the back of your mind going, don't mess this up. That anxiety triggers your sympathetic nervous system, your fight or flight response. And guess what? That actually makes the problem worse. Your body's literally working against you. As a urologist, I've seen patients whose physical health is perfect, but the anxiety component is the missing piece. The good news? This is treatable. Sometimes it's about working with a therapist who specializes in sexual health. Sometimes it's about honest communication with your partner, which, I'm not going to lie, can be uncomfortable but is so worth it. And here's something that really helps: mindfulness and breathing techniques during intimacy. When you slow down your breathing, you activate your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode. This helps you stay present, reduces anxiety, and gives you more control. You're not broken. Your body is responding to a combination of physical and psychological factors, and all of those factors are addressable. That's the medical truth. So let me leave you with this. 40% of men over 40 experiencing this means you are absolutely not alone. This is common, it's treatable, and understanding the why is your first step toward taking control back. If this video helped you, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to True Wellness Network, because we're going to keep having these real, honest conversations about health topics that matter. Next week, I'm breaking down the connection between testosterone levels and energy. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. And remember, your health is your wealth, and you deserve to feel confident in every area of your life. Take care of yourself out there, and I'll see you in the next one.